Welcome to Foglight Video Solutions. This video introduces the quick tutorial of the Global View Databases dashboard. My name is John Sakalauskas, and I'm a technical product specialist for the Foglight product. Beginning with the 5.9.7.10 database cartridges, users will be introduced to a quick tutorial of the Global View Databases dashboard using Foglight's guided tour functionality. This quick tutorial is available for FMS versions 5.9.5 and higher. In each step of the tutorial, users will be provided with in-application guidance to key components of the Global View Databases dashboard. Users have the choice to step through a brief explanation of each step, or they can skip the tutorial. The tutorial is also available to be launched by users from the General tab in the Collapsible Actions panel on the right side of the main Global View Databases dashboard. When there are no connections in the Global View Databases dashboard, the tutorial will present the message. The first task you need to complete is to add a database to monitor. Click the Monitor button to get started. When there are one or more connections in the Global View Databases dashboard, the tutorial will present the message. It appears you already have a connection. Remember to click the Monitor button if you'd like to add another connection. Log into the Foglight console. In this example, we have configured a new user which has not logged into Foglight before. After logging into Foglight for the first time, as well as immediately after installing or upgrading to the 5.9.7.10 or higher database cartridges, the user will be presented with the first pop-up of the quick tutorial. The user has a choice to select the next button, or they can skip the tutorial. With the click of each next step, the user will be guided on key components of the Global View Databases dashboard. Once the tutorial is complete, the user can click the Done button to return to the Global View Databases dashboard. The quick tutorial can also be accessed by the user from the top of the Collapsible Actions panel on the right side of the Global View Databases dashboard. To learn more about Foglight for Databases, visit our support site at support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us at Quest Experts on Twitter.